Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my huge Morphe brushes haul. Yes, that's right, my huge Morphe brushes haul. I actually went and picked them up during their sale. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to find out what are these products that I've actually purchased from Morphe Brushes and making sure that you watch at the end of this video, please keep on watching. I purchased this new, this is actually new for me, Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. Got this on special and they had them on sale. Currently I've actually been using the original one, which is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Filter Effect Finishing Powder. So I've actually picked the shade Filter 4. So this is actually a great way to use it when you want it to touch up. When you open it, you actually get a mirror. It's just like a compact pressed powder. And you also get the puff. This 90 neutral territory eyeshadow palette. So what it looks like here, it's just like a small palette. It's really good for when you're going traveling and that. So it's also, so when you see, you also got your mirror. And it's also got your 9 shades of eyeshadows, the Arch Obsessions, and I picked it up in the shade Mocha. So these are the 5 must-haves in creating your eyebrow. 5 things that you needed to create your eyebrow look. So you're actually getting your like your eyebrow pomade, getting your microbrow pencil, get your M158 angle liner with a spoolie brush or highlighter stick. So getting your brow setting gel that I've got on special, which is their Glam Bronze. I've actually got it in the shade Icon. So in here it's actually quite a big body and face bronzer. And it's also got your mirror. Next one that I also picked up from Morphe is their Hot Tropic lip gloss collections. You actually get a 5 lip glosses. Lip gloss is called Kiss Kiss. So it doesn't have a scent to it. It's a really nice gloss. Got the eye primer in translucent color. I do believe they do have another color of this, but I just picked the translucent one. Mega matte lipstick. I just can't remember if this was on special too. Watch that. So that's a really nice. It's a really nice red lipstick, and the shade's called Morphe. I also pick up this one. It's a 3503 Fierce by Nature. Getting a 35 shades on this. I actually bought a couple of these. I've actually gave the other one to my daughter. They're very, very nice. So if you guys can look. So when you open the box, it's come with a plastic sleeve with the names of the eyeshadows. So these are the shades, guys. So they are very pretty. Picked up was this 39L Hit the Lights Artistry Palette. MUA Life 20-piece brush collection in a case. I've actually been waiting for this to go on sale. Actually getting a case, 20-piece brushes. The only thing I've noticed with these makeup brushes set, it actually didn't come with the foundation brush. All I Want makeup brushes. So then you actually get 6 brushes on this set here. You're actually getting a bag. You're getting your 6 brushes sets for the eyes. Mind you, I love Morphe brushes. They're actually very soft. For your eyes only, Eye Obsessed. makeup brushes. You're actually getting 12 piece makeup brushes. I actually did show this to you last year when I was doing my, I think it was a spring look makeup that I did last year. I actually used these brushes for the first time last year. So these are all your brushes, guys. So you're actually getting 12 brushes plus your bag. So yeah, I've actually got them on, I've actually bought this on special, guys. The bronzing brush, which is the R14, the big makeup brushes tumbler. So this was also on special. So it's a really big size, guys. So I've actually got the big size, collaboration with Morphe Brushes. So I've got in here the Brittany Bear nose contour brushes. I think I need to watch her video and find out how these brushes actually works. This one I've actually purchased this full price, which is Morphe X Money MUA, and it's called the Glam Palette. So that's just the packaging, and you actually get a mirror. We got a very nice shades. I purchased this a while ago, guys. I've actually paid full price for James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I've actually got the big one. Okay, so that's his eyeshadows collections here. And so the only thing with this one, the name of the eyeshadows is actually on the actual plastic package, the plastic cover. That is eye brushes sets. They were also on special, and it's got the small case. So that's all the brushes. So there's 13 brushes in here. Picked up was from Jeffree Star. Okay, I actually did pick up I've actually picked up his sponges, and also his his makeup brushes when it was first released a while ago. So I haven't actually had a chance to actually try these. Picked up his another set of brushes, which is the eye brush collection, and you actually getting a nice case with these. So 10 brushes. So I've also picked up some individual makeup brushes. Okay, so they have his setting spray, and it's got a star berry scent. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this because I love berries. The lip glosses in the iconic bolds. They also had them in a different shades, but I think the other shades, it's gonna look a bit too flat on me because of my skin tone. You actually get a 5-piece mini lip collections, because I also like all the shades colors here. His eyeshadow palette. When you open it, you're actually getting your mirror, and come in a plastic cover, and all those shades. It got very pretty shades, and the name on the eyeshadows are actually labeled under each eyeshadows. Products from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. And I picked up, when I picked up the highlighter brush Frio. Pretty they are, just on the actual packaging. This is your powder brush. That's your powder brush. So it's a very soft, it's actually a very soft brush. J02, and this is called the highlighter brush. So that's the highlighter brush. One is J03. This is your highlighter brush. How cute, isn't it? And I've actually purchased this full price, which is the the Jaclyn Hill, the Jaclyn Cosmetics. Purchase all individual brushes too. Her Masterpiece Remix collection, which has got the 15 face and eye makeup brushes. It doesn't come in a case, so these are all your face and eye makeup brushes. This is called the Master Remix collection from Morphe X Jaclyn Hill. But back of the box you also get all the name of the brushes. Complexion Master collection. So with the face one, you're actually getting 5 brushes. So you're actually getting a case, which is a nice silver case. It's a very nice and soft, like a clear plastic filling case. So these are all your face brushes. The other brushes is the Eye Master collection, 8 eye makeup brushes, and you're also getting a bag with these two. So I've actually purchased the Jaclyn Hill, the Vault palette, and that was actually one of my most loved eyeshadow palettes because that was so pigmented. So in here you're actually getting your four eyeshadows palette from that Vault. The shades are, guys. Eyeshadows, it's also got the name on each eyeshadows labeled just below the eyeshadow. Lastly is her latest palette. It's on special when I actually purchased this, guys, which is the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. See how beautiful the palette is. Also the names actually been labeled below the eyeshadows parts, so which is really easy to identify the name of the eyeshadows. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out, making sure that you are registered with Morphe Brushes. In that way you actually get notified every time they do have sale, and you actually save more money in that way. Also find Morphe products from Mecca. Please comment down below what video you want to watch next, and thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.